Here at Brog, we love gear, and everyone on your gift list does too. So for the everyday carry nut in your life, we've got some great items to fill their pockets. Everybody could use a light in their life, and we carry some great Phoenix flashlights here at the shop. Everything from the E-light that's super compact, rechargeable, but still has white, red, and blue light, all the way up to this HL60R, cranking out 950 lumens and still with a rechargeable battery. What are you gonna carry all that cool stuff in? The bum bag has been super popular this year. We just released some new colors, and we're running a special bundle on the site right now. For the gearhead that's always working on their rig, one of my favorite ways to store tools is our tool pouch roll. This thing can really adapt to a lot of different loadouts. With 4 of our Velcro pouches, you can add more. Keeps everything nice and tight though, so your tools aren't rattling around. Then, if you may have places you want to tuck away just a few specialized tools, our utility pouches come in 2 different sizes and a bunch of colors. Literally everybody could use a little more organization in their tool life. We've got some great products for the prepared traveler that wants to be ready for anything. Overlanders aren't the only travelers that appreciate our small first aid kit and our headrest Velcro cover. With a quick rip, anybody in the vehicle has access to this first aid kit when an emergency situation occurs. We've talked a lot about how analog maps are a great way to back up your navigation. Our map folio holds at least 12 maps, plus room for pens and pencils, things like that. Keeps all your paper maps protected and organized. These days, everyone has a ton of devices, with all the cords and chargers that come with it. For the tech lover in your life, we have the aptly named Gadget Bag. It's a great way to keep all of those chargers and cords and everything that comes with your gear organized. And when you're on the go, you can grab one pouch, take it with you, leave this in the rig or in a bigger bag, wherever you need it. Our radio pouch makes sure that your handhelds are always available. You never know when you might need to make contact with your spotter or whoever else on the trail. Plus, they're Velcro mountable, so they fit on our seat back panels or convenient enough on the Gadget Bag. And soon, these will be available in black. Everybody loves to eat well in the backcountry. For the camp chef in your life, the cooking kit bag is a must-have piece of gear. Mounts on a fridge or on a cooler with a couple of different options back here. Travel run compatible in the front. On the inside, 2 pouches for spices and things like that, plus holds all your utensils. Right here, keeps them at hand. Water in the backcountry can be kind of a pain, but we're big fans of this combo from Dometic. The hydration faucet and water jug allows you to have running water pretty much anywhere you want it in your camp. For example, you can leave this in the rig and have the hose running out and stick this to the side of your truck with a magnetic base. Or it can be one unit with a pill and stick metal plates that go right on the jug, allowing you to pack this around camp and take it where you need it. This has a lithium rechargeable battery that can empty this jug multiple times over before needing a recharge, and the whole thing is just a super sleek package. So that wraps up the Overlander gift guide. You can find links to all these great products in the description below.